Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rug from U Art Lines. This is a Christmas rug. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So this rug is available in a variety of styles. This rug right here is 90 by 150 centimeters. So I'm going to take it out of the package. When you receive your rug, you will receive it in a plastic wrap just like this. In the packaging, you do get an instruction manual. So it just walks you through how to properly take care of the rug, how to unfold it, how to care for it, how to remove any creases, about the colors, just a lot of information here that is included. Now, check out this beautiful rug. I'm going to give you a closer look on that. Has some deer. It is red, green, very vibrant colors. I love how clear everything looks on here. Just gonna showing you, look at those colors. Now, this is a non-slip rug, so I'm gonna give you a closer look on the bottom here. This is a non-slip rug, so you don't have to worry about it sliding around. And the great thing about this rug is you could place it in a bedroom, in an entryway, living room, kitchen, anywhere you like. It is super versatile, but look at this beautiful rug. This is perfect for the holidays. This is a perfect Christmas rug. And like I mentioned, this is available in many patterns, different colors, different styles. It is nice, sturdy. The stitching looks amazing. Take a look at that. It's how thick it is. So it's not very thick, but it's also not thin. This is an amazing rug for your home. So let's go ahead and place it in the entryway and see what it looks like. So take a look. I placed it on the entryway. It looks amazing. Because it was in the package, you might want to place some books or something heavy, add some weight to those creases, but allow it some time to get its full shape. But I just want to show you how amazing the rug looks, especially on the entryway. Very, very nice. This is perfect and it is ready for the holidays. So if you've been on the lookout for a new Christmas rug, definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.